Hi friends, welcome back to my channel for another Sadies Stickers mystery reveal. Today we have the last one of 2025. We have our December mystery and it is so pretty. So I can't wait to show you guys. I'm going to go ahead and show you the vellum first. So these vellum sheets do come with the decorative. So if you get the weekly, you would not get the vellums. So I have both. I have the weekly and the decorative. You can choose to sign up for one or the other or both like me. I love this one. Look at the birds. Aren't they so cute? So we've got two different vellums here. This is like bamboo with some leaves and then the birds. And then look at this, you guys. This kit is so adorable. Like, it's just so cute. Okay, well, let's pull this out here and show you the weekly first. So we have, sorry, I'm trying to do it all together. Our December mystery. So this is like a double box moment here. And I love this. So pretty. It's just like this cute little like countryside. You've got like, look at the little hedgehog, you guys. It's so cute. My daughter had a hedgehog for like a hot minute. Her name was Gabby. She was really old and we got her for free from like somebody in town that was getting rid of her because she had to move. And so she didn't last long with us because she was already old, but she was so cute. It says, here comes the sun, and you've got the little bunny and a bird. And we've got this cute little scene down here. Another, look at that bridge foiled. Oh, so pretty. And these pretty pastel colors. This is like such a beautiful spring kit and it's just so cute. Okay, here is our boxes page. This is foiled in silver, by the way. And then our third page, you've got your little deco. I love this little like paper here. Oh, look at that little purse. That's also really cute. And then our torn papers. Here is our bottom washi. It's just so dainty. It's not dainty, even the way it's foiled. It's so pretty. And these are tiny little stars, if you can see that. These colors just like scream spring. So good. Okay, sorry, let me show you that at the end. Here is page 5. So this is our extra add-on sheet here of our deco. Look at the kitty with the glasses. Stop it. Oh my gosh, so pretty. And I love that little bag. These florals are really pretty too because I feel like they're a good transition floral. They still kind of feel like not quite full on spring, but like not winter. So it's just like a good transition. Here we go. Here's the florals, right? Doesn't that feel like a good transition floral? They're a little bit lighter in person than they're showing up on camera, so I apologize. I don't know why it's showing up darker. Here is our journaling page. I am obsessed with this like pattern behind here. It's like a lacy pattern. And this has a pattern on it too. That's a little different than we normally get. I'm a fan. And we've got our stamps, some small floral. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I love this. Alicia, I need this in like terrible washi. Can we get that in terrible washi? This too. That's so pretty. So, so pretty. Okay, and then here is our alcohol ink. And these are on washi paper. Let me flip this over so you can see the full colors better. So pretty. Oh, it's just like perfect spring. I am obsessed with this color palette. Okay, and then you also get the foil add-on. So here is the foil add-on. You got those dainty star like washies, all the florals, so pretty. Okay, so that is the regular weekly, and then let's look at our decorative here. Let me get this out of the plastic. All right, and we need something to show you this on. So here is page 1. These are our flowers, so large individual florals. And then we have the bouquets, a good medium size sprinkle of silver foil. And then we have our elements, which is kind of like our deco. This is so cool. It's like a pile of frames. Isn't that cool? I love that. The little violin. Look at the little shaggy dog. It's such like an eclectic kit. I feel like there's so many like different things in here. Like this is kind of giving me academia, but like I don't know, some of this feels like more like vintage romance. And then like we got like the cutesy elements, lots of different things. Here's our edges. We've got some clouds and kites and butterflies. Got some corners on here too. That's cool. I think that's different. We don't normally have corners. Okay, layered. Always my fave. Look at this girl with her boots. Love that. And then the cute little teddy bear and the bunny. I love how she foiled this with the florals on the edges. Just so fun. There's that bridge again, so pretty. Here is our torn like paper strips. That pattern. Alicia, please, can I have that in terrible washi? I am obsessed. I need it. So good. Here's our days and dates. And then our edges. right? Edges? Nope, borders, sorry. I want to call it edges because it has the little baby ones, but it's the edges. So it's like a full washi strip. Look at all that foil. Silver just shows up so well on camera. I love it. Okay, then we have our scenes. So we got some large scenes here. This looks like a big like greenhouse kind of thing, doesn't it? Like with all those windows. Oh, so pretty. And then the windmill with like the country scene. Maybe this is like leading up to that, who knows. And then we have our box swatches. So I think, let's see, are these the same? This is the same. This is like the same of this one. So you got like half of that. You got the hedgehog box, the door. So 4 of them. The 4 are the same as 4 of these ones. If you're trying to like compare the decorative with the regular. And then we have our swatches, those pretty florals. And they kind of have that pattern in the background a little bit too. It's like lacy looking. It's kind of hard to see. And then your foil add-on, it is the same as the one I just showed you before. So you do get 2 if you are getting both collections. That way you can use one with each, which I am so happy. She started doing this like last year, I think. I mean, it's not like this is new, but to me, it makes me happy every time I see it. So I'm going to keep bringing it up. Okay, guys, that's the December mystery, and that concludes the entire 2025 mystery collection. I've toyed with the idea of getting like all the mysteries out and like sharing them and like, oh, which one's your favorite? But I don't know, like that feels like a lot of work. And I don't know if I've used any of them, so I didn't do a lot of planning this year, so I might not have, but that might be hard to do, so we'll see. If you've been following along, you can just comment below and tell me which one has been your favorite. This one's super cute. I'm excited. This makes me like excited for spring, even though I feel like we're still like in the dead of winter. But anyway, I hope that you guys enjoyed this. I hope you've been enjoying seeing all of these every month throughout the year. As a quick reminder, I do PR for Sadie Stickers shop. You cannot use my code on the mysteries, but you can use my code on anything else in the shop. It's Cassie20. And if you mention my name in the notes, you will get my freebie as well. There's a ton of freebies from the team, so you can always switch it up and put different names in there every time you order, because you will not order just once from Alicia. Her stuff is so good. So yeah, just wanted to put that in there. All of my codes are always listed in the description below, so if you ever forget what they are, you can see them listed in the description of my videos. So yeah, that's going to be everything, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you all in the 2026 videos. Bye, guys.